Hello, welcome back to this tutorial. I'm your Aaron as usual, Evander, and today we are explaining variable scope using a C++ example. Alright, so let's come back to our dev C++, and then here we are changing our comment, a program to demonstrate variable scope, like that. Okay, so we have our int is just 24, and when you print this edge here in the previous example, it displays the result as 24. Okay, now let's declare another block here and we try printing our edge like this. Okay, now still this one works because this is a global variable. Now let's change this to global variable. So we've changed the comment to indicate that whatever x it is here, it is a global variable. Okay, now inside here when you print x, still it prints y because it is a global variable. Here, let me put some space and you will understand what I'm trying to mean, like this. So when you run this, the first 24 here corresponds for edge in this print statement, and this 24 corresponds to this print statement inside a block. Okay, now let's declare our int edge from here and give it 34, and then we remove this global one. We don't need to remove, actually let's comment that like this. Try to access. Now here on line, we're having an error here that on line 7 com 34 edge was not defined in this scope. Alright, so edge is defined in this local scope and we are trying to access it outside this block. So in other words, edge is very local here and we are trying to access it in a global environment. So that's why they are saying edge was not declared in that scope. Alright, so now you understand the difference between local and global. So if I run this again, you see edge in the first print is 24 and edge in the next print is 34. So this edge is local to this, and that's why we're having 34 in this code block, and then in this public or global one, actually it's public. So in this public section we're having the answer as 24. So now you understand the difference between global and local variables. Oh, we can maybe try another one. We can try accessing name here. It will accept like this name. Oh, come on, this name, terminate that, and if you want to get some kind of break, then we have to use backline. Okay, now this will print my name as usual, but if we shift this line from there to here and we print, oh sorry, we are meant to take this where we declare the variable, not where we're printing a variable like that. So now this name is local to this section of block, but we are trying to access it outside this section. Okay, so if we run this, oh, it is on line 7 still. They are saying name was not declared in this scope. In other words, we declared a name inside this block here, stops here, but then we are accessing it in the outer block. So name is now local to this, and that's why it is raising an error that it wasn't declared in that block. Alright, Now you understand the global variables and local variables. I'm gonna leave a simple assignment and you can do it, then send it on that link below, or you can just give it as a comment. So I want you to write a program that demonstrates the scope, variable scope, that demonstrates the variable scope. Right, that's a simple assignment. So you try this, pause the video, write the code, send it to my email, or you can just come in the comment section, paste your code there. I'll be in to guide you where you have a mistake, and I'll be in to give you assistance. All right, make sure you subscribe, you click that bell icon so that whenever I post a video you're notified, and make sure you share with your friends, and don't forget to like that code. Okay.